Hello and welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown, joined by Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. I'm going to be looking at the pound and the Great British pound versus the dollar. Technical chart, let's put Bank of England to one side. Just talk us through from a technical point of view, not fundamentally. Okay. Where we can go from here.
Well, on the technical basis, you can see uptrends going on here. You can see moves through resistance levels, old resistance becoming new support. That obviously underlies the fact that sterling has been recovering in the last sort of 8-10 months, really. I think on this chart you can see here, whereby throughout this year you've been trending high. You've been using that 89-day moving average as a basis of support of the big corrections, and I think you're seeing at the moment the market sort of into a bit of a trading range between 130.25 and 133.35. On the last month we've been buzzing around those levels. Now you can see the momentum indicators are back to fairly neutral levels, so I think the market is sort of gearing up for its next move. It's not entirely sure exactly where it's going to go next. If you look on the longer term technicals, you'd say yes, it's going to be pulling higher. However, what you could see is if, say for example, the tax reform goes through successfully, that would be dollar positive. If, say for example, we see the Bank of England not pulling ahead with a hiking cycle, that would be perceived to be possibly sterling negative. So add in all the sort of uncertainty around Brexit as well. There are factors that could well threaten this uptrend, but at the moment we're still hanging on to the technical trend. A breakout through 33.35 would mean that you'd be pushing higher back towards the highs again. But as I said, you've got these fundamental factors that you cannot ignore in the coming weeks, and I think that could be sort of a determinant factor on the direction of cable.
Understood, Richard. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.